Did you know that 68% of Americans check their credit score at least once a year, but most have no idea how to actually improve it? If your credit score is holding you back from getting that car loan, mortgage, or even a decent credit card, you're not alone. The good news is that fixing your credit doesn't have to take years. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to boost your credit score fast with a step-by-step plan that actually works. These aren't just random tips you'll find everywhere online. These are proven strategies that can help you see improvements in as little as 30 days. So grab a pen and paper because we're diving deep into the real steps that make a difference. Let's start with the most important step that most people completely ignore. Step 1. Get your free credit reports before you can fix anything. You need to know what you're working with. Go to annualcreditreport.com right now and pull your reports from all 3 major bureaus. That's Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Don't pay for this, it's completely free once per year from each bureau. Look at every single line item on these reports. You're looking for errors, which show up on about 25% of all credit reports. Common errors include accounts that aren't yours, wrong payment histories, or accounts that should have been removed years ago. Step 2. Dispute every error you find. This is where most people give up, but it's actually the fastest way to boost your score. For each error, you need to file a dispute with the credit bureau. You can do this online, but I recommend sending a certified letter for serious errors. Include copies of any documents that prove the error. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate and respond. If they can't verify the information, they have to remove it. I've seen people gain 50 to 100 points just from removing errors. Step 3. Pay down high credit card balances. Your credit utilization ratio is 30% of your credit score. This means how much credit you're using compared to your total available credit. If you have a $1,000 credit limit and you owe $500, your utilization is 50%. That's way too high. You want to keep your utilization below 30%, but ideally under 10%. Here's a trick that works fast. Pay your credit card balance before your statement closes. Most people wait until the due date, but your balance gets reported when your statement closes. So if you pay early, a lower balance gets reported to the credit bureaus. Step 4. Ask for credit limit increases. This is probably the easiest step that takes 5 minutes but can boost your score quickly. Call your credit card companies and ask for a credit limit increase. Don't use the extra credit, just having it lowers your utilization ratio. If you currently owe $500 on a $1,000 limit, that's 50% utilization. But if they increase your limit to $2,000, now you're only using 25%. Your score will improve without you paying an extra penny. Step 5. Become an authorized user. If you have family or friends with excellent credit, ask them to add you as an authorized user. Their good payment history will show up on your credit report. This works especially well if they have old accounts with low balances. Make sure the primary cardholder has a long history of on-time payments. You don't even need to use the card, just being listed helps your score. Step 6. Pay all bills on time. From now on, your payment history is 35% of your credit score. Even one late payment can drop your score by 60 to 100 points. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount due. If you've missed payments recently, get current as fast as possible. The impact of late payments decreases over time, but recent ones hurt the most. Step 7. Keep old accounts open. Don't close your oldest credit cards, even if you're not using them. The length of your credit history matters. Those old accounts are actually helping your score by showing a long credit history. If there's an annual fee and you really want to close it, call and ask if they can switch you to a no-fee version of the card. Step 8. Mix up your credit types. Having different types of credit accounts for about 10% of your score. This means having both revolving credit like credit cards and installment loans like car payments. You don't need to go out and get new loans, but if you only have credit cards, consider a small personal loan that you can pay off quickly. Quick wins you can do this week: sign up for free credit monitoring through your bank or Credit Karma. Set calendar reminders to check your credit reports every 4 months from a different bureau. Pay down any credit card that's over 30% of its limit. Call your credit card companies and ask about increasing your limits. Set up automatic minimum payments on all your accounts. What to avoid: don't apply for multiple new credit accounts at once. Don't close old accounts unless you absolutely have to. Don't max out your credit cards, even if you pay them off each month. Don't ignore bills just because they're small amounts. Remember, improving your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. But with these steps, you should start seeing improvements within 30 to 60 days. The key is being consistent and patient. Your credit score doesn't have to be a mystery anymore. These 8 steps will put you on the path to better credit and better financial opportunities. Start with checking your credit reports today. That's the foundation for everything else. If this video helped you understand how to fix your credit, hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips that actually work. Drop a comment and let me know which step you're going to tackle first.